Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Keep watching if you are interested in seeing how I created what I have named Molly Girl. Starting with liquid latex, pour some in a container and then slowly pour in some flour. Start with a little bit of flour first and then continue pouring until you get a good consistency like so. I used a face cast and began putting the concoction around both of my eyes, creating an empty hole just like my soul. I then dipped my finger into regular liquid latex to smooth out the edges and also just everything else in general too. I used the same exact method for the mouth as well, and also used the regular liquid latex too to smooth out the edges. After this process was done, I let it dry overnight, and then when I peeled it off of the face mask, I made sure to use a lot of flour to make sure the pieces don't stick together. Max has a bunch of great tutorials using this method, and I will link their channel down below for you to see. I then put in some creepy black sclera contacts and used a NYX jumbo pencil in black to go around my eyes. I applied Vaseline on my eyebrows so I didn't lose them in the process, and then I put Pros-Aide all around the black around my eyes. After the Pros-Aide was mostly dry, I took the appropriate eye prosthetic, which I also had put Pros-Aide on, and I laid it down over my eye. I did the same thing with the other eye and the mouth as well. I then put on some foundation all over my face, including on and around the prosthetic pieces, but I stayed away from the insides of them. My edges were horrendous, I know, don't at me, so I used some scar wax to smooth the roughest parts out. It's okay. I used a maroon cream paint to color in the insides of the prosthetic pieces, all around the eyes and the inside of the mouth as well. For added gore, I put on some blood paste in my mouth. I did not do any around my eyes because I did not want to get any on my eye, especially using contact lenses. That could be really bad. I then used a toothbrush gel and began splattering and flicking watered down red body paint all over my face. I used some blood for the inside of my mouth as well and on my chin, and I also used that red body paint for the dripping effect on my neck and chest. And I also did some more splatters on my chest as well. I know this was a very quick tutorial, but honestly there really wasn't much to it. But thank you again so much for watching, and I am really hoping to create more videos, which I am well aware I say in every video I ever make in the entire world, but I truly mean it, okay?